Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can have a video conference or a video meeting using 8x8. So first you have to type 8x8.com in your browser and then you will come to the home page of 8x8. So there are three options here: work productively, engage remotely, and meet instantly. So there can be phone chat and meeting, or there can be a contact center, or there can be a video meeting. Apparently only video meeting is free, so here there is a text start a free meeting. I will click on that. So when I click on start a free meeting, I reach to this page, and here I can choose my meeting name. So my meeting name is SP. It is said that special characters and spaces are not allowed. So I can have unlimited meeting. There is no meeting limit time. There is no time limit for the meeting. So just by putting my name, I can click on start meeting and the meeting will start. Once I start the meeting, I can share the details with participants. I will share the details with those who I want to join my meeting, and then they can join this. It is same as Jitsi, and what I understood is Jitsi and 8x8 has got some collaboration, because I could see 8x8 on the Jitsi page as well. So I am going to allow my microphone and camera. So here the camera is on. I can first I have to put my name, that is SP. I click on OK, and then I check my microphone is on. I can mute by clicking on it. I can put off the camera, and all other features are same as Jitsi. The whole user interface is of the whole user interface of 8x8 and Jitsi is same, and all the features that are available are also same. So if I click here, I can mute or unmute. If I click on the video, I can start or stop the video. There is a chat option, there is raise hand option, there is share option. Here I will get list of participants. Here I can get more options, and here I get information that I have to share with the people, those who I want to join my meeting. To close the meeting, I have to click on leave, and this is how my meeting is over. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.